Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. One of these planters can grow from 60 to over 200 tomatoes. For mini tomatoes, you can grow about 1,000 of them. All you do is put your seeds and plants in this planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. It does it all. Isn't that beautiful? No blemishes, no nothing. So I've got to pull these out now. What I do is I normally go in and I germinate them in these pots. No, I don't need a germination equipment. I don't need sunlight. I don't need lamps. I don't need all of the stuff that you put in to germinate your plants. All I do is throw my seeds in these planters. I throw my plants in these planters, and they grow my food for me. And then I take these tomato plants and I separate them and put them everywhere that I want to put them at any of my planters. And they're beautiful. What they end up doing is growing into something like this. Corn. And 100 zucchini, 50 corn, and 50 watermelon in one planter. And that's what we're going to do with the tomatoes. So we'll take the tomatoes and we'll move them over and transfer them. And that corn beautiful? Oh, I love that. To our tomato planter. And this is what they'll do. They'll start growing. Now you can see the ones that are over there are a lot more greener, right? So these had to adapt to this new environment. But that's fine. I don't mind it. I'm doing it at a very young age. I should have waited a little bit until they got a little bit older, but I just decided to do it now. But it's beautiful, and I don't have a problem with it. DarrellAddison.com. We make self-growing planters used for growing your food.